Hello, I am Alejandro Bernal from section 751. I have to speak about the importance of planning ahead in an international company as a startup engineer or technician. The importance of planning is very important because so we have a path to follow. For me, the first step to follow is to recognize the language of workers, so we have better communication. After this, we must assign them the position of the workers, where is they go to work, and the site of they we perform the test. Will the company already have the position designated? This company is working in the power plant, realize electrical tests to the machine and corroborating if the machine is fine or bad. This electrical test allows us to know if the machine is out of the norm. If this happens, we must perform an investigation of what is wrong and repair that. In case the machine is very bad, you'd better to replace it. This test is the best for the technician and engineers because it develops knowledge of electrical and electronic. This knowledge is the better knowledge for a technician and engineer. It allows him to think work quickly because construction companies always request a test for buildings. The electrical test is divided into many tests, but this company performed two tests: insulation test, contact resistance test. The insulation test. This test is developed through a measure or meter. With this instrument, we must connect to the current of the machine and input voltage to the machine, and this instrument will show us a number, and this number is the insulation. If this number between 125 and 10,000 volts is okay. The contact resistance test is a test where it is confirmed that the cables resist contact or deconnection in the machine. After knowing what an electrical test is and which ones we will perform, knowing the position of the workers and where the site will be to work with the electrical test, we will follow the step of startup. In the first place, workers must use safety equipment to that there is no accident in the building. 2. Workers must use the instrument in the correct way to advance quickly and correctly. 3. The workers will test the machine, and when they finish, they must notify the supervisor. 4. The supervisor must verify that the tests were performed correctly. 5. If the test is okay, the engineers will fill out the papers. 6. When the papers are done, the job is done. This is my presentation. Sorry for my pronunciation if it was not understood well. Thanks for your attention.